Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm in here fixing some food because the boy gotta eat. I'm just making some pesto, salmon, pasta, something light. But I want to talk to y'all because I was having a conversation with somebody and they were like, yo, how is it that you are able to, manage everything you're doing and make sure that, the family's good, make sure that you're good, all this stuff. Like, how do you continue to get up at 5 a.m.? How do you continue to do things like that? And it made me realize, like, you have to learn to be, right? Because this particular person, they were stuck on doing, right? They were stuck on how do you do. And I told them, I'm like, I don't do this, I am this now. And that took time to get to that point, right? It took time to get to the point where I am this, because there was a point where I wasn't. There was a point where I was just, kind of not having no routine, waking up at any time, not reading, not bettering myself, not making sure I'm good to, work out, to take care of myself, finances kind of everywhere. And at that time I was just doing because I thought that's what was supposed to be. I'm supposed to do. But then I realized, like, you got to change the environment around you and inside of you. Like, you have to literally adapt and become a new person, right? So you have to become. You have to be and then come into a new self of who you are, like of who you're meant to be, of the man or the woman you're meant to be, right? The person who's supposed to change the family dynamic, the person who's supposed to continuously get better, continue to level up. So I had to take it upon myself to make a decision. And we talked about this before on a podcast episode where, right, there's decisions and then there's committed decision, right? A regular decision is, I'm going to work out. Cool. A lot of people make regular decisions. I'm going to work out. But then there are committed decisions. A committed decision is when you decide, I'm going to work out because I want to show up better for myself. I want to look better. I want my physique to be nice. I want when I walk to not be tired. I want when I go on vacation, I have to hike, I'm not tired. I want my sleep to be better. Like, it's a committed decision to an outcome that's going to better your life, right? So when I started to make these decisions, I understood that the only way I'm going to become the person who I'm meant to become is I have to make committed decisions. I can't just keep doing things. I can't just keep showing up and doing things and then just like, okay, it's done, right? There's no intention inside of it. There's no urgency. You gotta have urgency, right? You gotta have a willingness to go through the tough parts of yourself. It's gonna be tough because you gotta unlearn those things that you have, that you've been dealing with. So you have to be able to make a committed decision to become a better person, to become somebody who somebody else can look up to. And the thing is, hold on, the salmon looking good, y'all. And the thing about becoming that new person, you're going to make some people upset. It is what it is. You're going to start to feel yourself adapt. You're going to start to feel yourself change internally. The things that you like, the things that you related to with other people, you're going to be like, I don't really relate to that no more because I'm becoming something else. When a caterpillar goes into the cocoon, it's intentional. I'm going into the cocoon. I'm going to rest. I'm going to get in there, snuggle up, and work on myself. Become beautiful. Become a new me. You know what I'm saying? Like, if the caterpillar went into the cocoon and came out the same, you'd be like, what you went in there for, bro? Like, you went there for no reason. But nah, go in there, you become somebody different. You become a different individual. You become a better individual. You become an individual who has standards, who has morals. You become colder, you become smoother, you become wiser, you become greater. And that's what it takes in order to become. You can't just walk around doing. I heard a quote a long time ago from a preacher, and he was like, look, we weren't born human doings, we were born human beings. And when he said that, I was like, damn, that makes sense, because like, we are a light, we are a being, we are a energy source. And in order to get your energy in the right place, you gotta go deep. You gotta have some depth about yourself, right? And you'll find that conversations are better when you start to become the person who you're meant to be, because you're happier, you're flowing better, you're in a better mental state. You know what I'm saying? You're not depressed, you're not out of shape, you're not worried about this and that. The only thing you're worried about is becoming better, helping your family, getting yourself right. And every day it's an incremental change. Every day it's an incremental change. So I just wanted to leave that tidbit with y'all, man, while I was cooking, and just tell y'all to keep becoming, man. Stop relying so heavily on just having to do, and start just becoming slowly but surely, right? That doing is what gives you the burnout. That doing is what gets you exhausted. But becoming, it's a gradual change. It's a gradual uphill thing. And you get to the top of the mountain and you're like, man, look who I've become. So keep becoming that person you're meant to be. I believe in you. I know you can do it. You just got to believe in yourself. So until next time, I just wanted to drop these gems on you real quick. But I'm going to go finish cooking because I might burn some. So let me get to it.